How to make $300 a day using ChatGPT plus Canva, top 5 AI tools in 2025. People are quietly making $300 a day from their laptops. No office, no boss, no degree required. Just AI tool and a little creativity. This video shows you exactly how. Step 1. Go to ChatGPT and ask it to write a blog or Instagram carousel on a trending topic. Now go to Canva and use the free templates to design the content beautifully. Use ChatGPT to rewrite headlines, tips, and hooks instantly. You now have a digital product ready to sell. Upload it to Etsy, Gumroad, or your own website. People are buying planners, guides, and templates every day. Promote your product on TikTok, Pinterest, or Instagram. Let the traffic flow, and money comes while you sleep. Here are 5 AI tools people are using to get rich in 2025. 1. ChatGPT for content, scripts, emails. 2. Canva for designs, logos, and templates. 3. OpusClip turns long videos into viral shorts. 4. Leonardo AI generates stunning digital art. 5. Notion AI automates your productivity and planning. Start today. AI is the new gold rush, and early movers win. Don't just scroll, build something. Subscribe for daily AI money tips. Your time is now.